Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag for the Roborock CurvX. If you're interested in the CurvX, the link to it will be in the video description, and we'll also link to our top robot vacuum picks, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, and we keep track of daily vacuum deals for you, so be sure to check out all the links in our description. So, on our CurvX station here, we have to open up the top cover. That reveals our dirty and clean water tanks, and in the back side, we have this designed by Roborock cover that's removable. And inside there, you guessed it, that's where the vacuum bag is. Yours might look nice and full. Go ahead and remove your full bag and discard it. Then you can take a new vacuum bag. If you want to clean out in there, you can do that as well. If you want to write the date on this, you can. You could write the date up at the top or on the little piece of plastic there to keep track. I like the top right here because then you can actually see it when it's in the station. Take your new bag and just line everything up, gently push in, and then press the last top piece in as well. It's kind of flimsy, so you can use it to pull everything out, but for when pushing it back in, I like to push on the sides to make sure it's firmly in place. Just push the bag down in there, and then you can push the top part in. Then take the cover, it's only going to fit one way, and put that right back on. And there you go. That's how you change your vacuum bag on the Roborock CurvX.